1982 UK 20p coin was the very first 20p piece ever issued by the Royal Mint, as part of the ongoing transition to a decimalized currency system that began in 1971. It was introduced to fill the gap between the 10p and 50p denominations, offering a convenient intermediate value for everyday transactions. This coin's release marked an important development in the modernization of British coinage, and as the first of its kind, it remains a sought-after collectible. The obverse of the 1982 20p coin features the iconic second portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Arnold Machin. This portrait, introduced in 1968, depicts the Queen wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara, a striking and elegant image that adorned British coinage for decades. The inscription surrounding her profile reads, Elizabeth II DG Reg FD, 1982. Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. On the reverse side, you'll find the timeless design by William Gardner, the Tudor rose, a symbol of England's unity and heritage. The intricate and symmetrical depiction of the rose is encircled by the denomination 20 pence and a beaded border. Gardner's design was chosen for its simplicity, elegance, and relevance to British history, making it an enduring feature of the 20p coin until the reverse redesign in 2008. The 1982 20p coin was minted for general circulation, with an estimated mintage of approximately 740 million coins. As such, it is not considered rare, but its status as the first year of issue makes it historically significant and a must-have for collectors of British decimal coinage. Coins found in circulated condition typically hold their face value of 20p, as they are quite common. However, examples in uncirculated or brilliant uncirculated BU condition can command a modest premium, typically ranging from $1.3, $1.25 to 3.75 Z pounds, depending on their quality and market demand. In addition to the standard circulation coins, proof versions of the 1982 20p coin were also struck by the Royal Mint. These proof coins, which feature sharper details and a mirror-like finish, were included in commemorative proof sets designed for collectors. A proof 1982 20p coin, especially if part of a complete set, can be worth significantly more than its face value. Depending on its condition and packaging, a proof example can fetch anywhere from $8 to $20, 10 to 25 USDs. Collectors often seek out the 1982 20p coin not only for its historical significance, but also as part of a complete series of 20p coins issued during Queen Elizabeth II's reign. Its introduction represented a key moment in the modernization of UK coinage and reflects the careful balance between tradition and innovation that characterizes British coin design. While it does not feature any notable minting errors or variations, its importance as the first 20p coin ever issued ensures its enduring popularity among numismatists.